Okay, I'll just run through how to record a lambing event on the app. So just run the app from the home screen on my Android device and just make sure I've synchronized. So just run through that quickly. 2 messages to expect: database updated, and a second one for data entry lists. So the home screen now builds. Number of animals is displayed at the top, so we'll go straight into the lambing screen. So the lambing event is one of the more complex pieces of information you'll record, and of course we need to scan both the U tag and record the attributes of the lambing event for the U, and then also enter the lamb or lambs onto the system as well. Okay, so I'm just going to tap on read U tag. Just make sure that my reader is powered on. So it says ready to read tags, so we just press the button and scan the tag. So the U's EID number and visible tag are populated onto the screen. So we can now just scroll down and select the birthing assistance if appropriate, and then we'll go straight in and scan the lamb tag. So again, the app reports ready to read, so we'll scan the lamb tags, lamb 1 and lamb 2. So if we just scroll down, we can see we've captured those ear tag numbers. So we'll just at this point do volume down on the device to stop the scanning. So we've got a message there, reading stopped, and now we can fill in the rest of the attribute data for the lamb. So there's a checkbox to say whether it's a male lamb, and then we can enter a birth weight, and that one will be female, so we'll just enter a birth weight for that. Okay, and there's the breed, so we can leave that. We've got a default breed set, so we can change that if we want to, and we can tick if it's a cross of that breed. Any stillborns, there's a simple counter there if we want to use that, and then if you've got any tups or rams on the database, they would be displayed here, and you can then select the appropriate one. So now press on add birth. Program will confirm that the birth event has been recorded and will be transferred when we next synchronize. So I'll just say OK to that. So we can now leave the lambing screen. So I go back to the home screen, and if we look under recorded events management, pending events, there's our birth event there, and of course we can record as many of those as we need to on any given lambing day, and then just come into the screen, check that everything looks correct. We can, as you see at the right hand side, we can delete an event if it's erroneous or spurious, and when we're done we can just go back to the front screen. We've come in at the end of the day and we just press synchronize, confirm that we're online, and the first message is that all events have been submitted to the server as quickly as that. We say OK, and then we get the other 2 confirmations about the synchronization complete. So all of that information now will have been transferred to the main cloud account, and we can then obviously look at reports for ewe fertility, lamb weights, and obviously find those lamb identities on the system as well.